Hey guys, welcome to with the video for guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the volume for alarms on your iPhone. So let's get started. So if you go into your clock app on your iPhone and go to alarm here, right? And you try to go ahead and add an alarm by clicking on the plus sign. The only option available is to be able to just change the type of sound you're getting. But in order to change the alarm volume, what you'll need to do is go into your setting of your iPhone, and then once you go into your setting of your iPhone, you'll need to go to sounds and haptics. And the way you can adjust the volume of the alarm is by this option right here where it says ringtone and alerts. So you need to move this up. The higher you put it, the more volume you'll get. So that's how you do it, because there is no option for alarm. As you can see here, the only option available here are the ones that they have it on the latest version. There is nothing that says alarm specifically, so you'll need to use that toggle to increase the volume or lower it using that toggle right there. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make a like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.